What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year's. Hope everybody had a good New Year's and time to get back on the grind. We got a new project. It's a Mercedes GLC front end collision, nothing too crazy. Hood is damaged, bumper is damaged, grill. So we got new hood, new bumper, new grill. And then I noticed there's some radiator and condenser got a little bent. Right now I want to pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, assess the damage, and start ordering new parts and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Let's do it. Quick announcements before I forget. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and now let's get to work. Got the Mercedes in the shop, so now we could start taking everything apart. For now, we'll just remove the bumper and see exactly what's going on underneath the bumper, if there's any more heading damages. So let's open the hood and start taking everything apart. Just took the Mercedes apart and everything else is looking pretty good. We got a damaged headlight and then the condenser got damaged as well. We already got a new hood and bumper and the light. The only thing we're waiting for the condenser, and Andre already sprayed the hood. So he painted that inside. So right now I'm gonna install the hood on the car and he's gonna paint the hood and blend the fenders and paint the bumper and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Took everything apart, so we're gonna paint the hood, blend the fenders. I removed the moldings and then molding on top. So now we're ready for paint. Time for Andre to do his magic and then we'll start putting everything back together. Mercedes is painted, so now we could start putting it back together. And if you guys want to see step-by-step painting process, check out Andre's channel, LNC Painter. But let's start putting everything back together and get this car ready for wash and detail and delivery. And here is our new condenser. So let's open this up. So now I gotta figure it out how to remove the AC condenser with the less amount of things I have to remove. Gotta think about this one. Give me a few minutes, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, let me see, what can we do? Probably gonna have to remove the upper piece and probably this side as well. Maybe reinforcement. Okay, let's do this. So next I gotta take this corner apart. Okay, now I could remove this. Just gotta pop this bracket. Before I remove the condenser, I gotta recover the Freon. So I got the machine, and once we replace it with a new one, we'll put it back. Should be quick and simple. And we got it out. Now we could install the new one. Boom, and we're good. Put the bumper together, and man, it looks amazing. Let's check it out. Boom, look at this. We replaced the grille. This was chrome and this was chrome, so we painted everything body color, and this is what it used to look before. This grille looks okay, whatever, you know, but I think this one looks so much cleaner on this car. Now let's install the bumper and wrap this thing up. Just put the Mercedes together, and man, what a transformation. This grille makes the biggest difference ever. So next we're gonna pull the car outside, we're gonna do a car wash, full detail inside out, and the car is ready for delivery. Let's go. Mercedes is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful, looks better than new. Customer is on his way to pick up the car, ready for the weekend. But let's take a look and see exactly what we did. Look how nice the front end looks. So we got a brand new hood, brand new bumper, condenser, headlight, and for the final, customer wanted a GT style grille, and this is the final look. Came out very nice. once again, thank you guys for watching this episode. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build.